Let's go a6. Yeah. No, so there's something wrong. Everybody has something wrong. Beta 8 and a better for the 16. Yeah, something's wrong with Daniel's chart as well. It's just, it's not the same time period, which, what does that mean exactly, though? What does that mean? Because you guys know better than me. Like, there's probably someone techie who can tell me, but if his chart is messed up as well, does that mean that they have some data problem in general? Actually, of course you guys can't tell me because I'm playing a game, so we're emote mode, but I wonder what that means. I actually do. I'm kind of curious now. Let's go queen c7. I wonder what that means. I really do. A castle, of course. I wonder what that means. I'm really curious now. Really curious. Oh, great. Did I just blunder? Oh, I did just blunder. Shoot. Or did I? Well, I got knight g4, maybe? I gotta go for it. If I don't go for it, what am I playing for? Ridiculous. If I go knight d7, I think you can go for the classic Greek gift with bishop takes h7. That's why I have to go for knight g4. I should have played h6. Should have played h6 first. Maybe it's not so bad, though. Thanks so much for Prison Wallet for the 25-month resub. Thank you, TXRP Punch for the tier 1. It's been a while since I've seen Prison Wallet around. Prison Wallet used to be somebody who gifted a ton of subs. I think I'm okay here now because I can just drop back, I can take, and I can cover up. Like if he plays takes, check, back, takes, I get queen f5 to cover the mate. So I think I'm okay here. So I pre-move king h7. If he doesn't take, it can't be executed. Okay, you guys, enough with the Emily emotes. Okay, seriously, enough. As soon as I say that, of course, now everyone's going to do even more of it. Jesus. Let's take. I should not have said that. I should not have said that. That was a big mistake by me. Big mistake. Okay, let's go here and queen g6, I guess. Now I think I'm fine, actually. I think queen h3 was better to force the trade, and I get the double pawns, and I'm split. But now I have the two b's, and I've got bishop d8. I know, this looks quite good for me. Maybe just e5 here? I know I'm better, probably. Question is, do I go f6 or e5? I think I'm going to play f6 to hit the knight. e5, build a big black center here. That's a good move from him. I missed it, of course. Maybe I just play with the two b's. Two b's or not two b's? Two b's or not two b's? I'll go here. Probably gonna get a Magnusian situation where I have two b's versus two horses. He goes there, which I really don't like. Because now I think there's something bad happening after queen to h5 or h7 or g4. I'm gonna go here with knight f5. Big threats with knight f5. City music. Yeah, he goes queen h4, but I'll just trade. I think I can just play an endgame here. I've got a big black center. I can harass the horse. Looks very pleasant. Although he's got f4, which I did actually. I did miss that. Takes or nothing. Why did I allow this? Although wait, do I have bishop g4 maybe? Bishop g4 takes to g5? No, that's no good. Okay, I'm thinking too long again. Really don't want to play e4, but 6 bishop g4, rook d2. Okay, come on, just make a move. Okay, whatever, I'm just gonna do it. I really don't like e4, but I think it's kind of one of the few playable moves, and he's getting very low on time. This is not what I wanted. Okay, so go here, get the bishop. I also had bishop g4 first to hit the rook. Okay, now what I need to do is I need to activate my bishop somehow, like b5 maybe. Yeah, I've totally bungled this. I'm still fine, but I've misplayed this quite badly. Here, maybe? Okay, I just gotta move. He's got no time. Why am I so slow? Here. Okay, now I should win with the two Bs. Let's go here. Yeah, I just lose this. Very poor game, but it's another win. 3 out of 3.